Hello everybody, today we'll be taking a look at this 42-inch Harbor Breeze Centreville. This is located in my dad's den of our new house. So you have two color blade options. You have the white, which is the default blade color, and then you have, I believe that's bleached oak. It's electrically reversible. Let's go ahead and I'll show you the light. It's got 3 LED bulbs in it. And we'll go ahead and start on low. It's a pretty slow low. All right, we'll do medium. Blows a pretty good amount of air. And then we'll do high. Now on high, it does wobble ever so slightly. Pretty much all the fans in this house wobble to a certain degree, except for one downstairs, which I'll make a video of here soon. But it does a pretty good job blowing air. Here's the top. And we'll go ahead and watch it coast. Now this fan is not original. When I was looking through the pictures of this house, older pictures, the fan up here was a Aloha Breeze, which looks very similar to the Hampton Bay Littleton, but those fans have the mushroom-shaped globe, and they have the pointed blades. The Harbor Breeze or the Hampton Bay Littleton has rounded blades. So that is the Harbor Breeze Centreville. Hope you enjoyed this video, and I will see you later.